How to crop video on iPhone. So here is how to crop a video on iPhone using the built-in Photos app and no extra apps needed. So first of all, open the Photos app on your mobile device and find and tap the video you want to crop. Now, once inside the video, all you have to do is tap on the three dashboard at the bottom tab. You can see there is a three dashboard right next to the delete icon. Tap on it. Then tap on the crop icon, which looks like a square with arrows at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now pinch with two fingers to zoom in. This crops the view. Or you can simply drag the corners or reposition the crop box as needed. So let's simply tap on the corners and drag it according to your preferences. And once you are satisfied with your crop, then all you have to do is tap on the done option available at the top right corner of your screen and save it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.